everyone, this is Yeshwant from Grade 2B Mayoor Pvt School, and these are my diorama models. The first one is about a rainforest and the second one is about a desert. Let's see them in detail. This is my diorama rainforest. I have made it using cardboard and I have put in pictures for the background, and I have also put in all of my favorite rainforest animals. Let's see it in detail. Rainforests cover less than 3% of the planet. The world's largest rainforest is the Amazon rainforest. Much of the life in the rainforest is found in the trees. Many products we use on a daily basis comes from rainforest plants. Rainforest helps fight global warming. Saving rainforest help to save the house of many more species of plants and animals. This is my model about desert oasis. I have made it using thermocol, pebbles, cardboard, paint and sand. Deserts are dry lands with lots of plants and animals. The camel is the ship of the desert. The Arabian oryx is the national animal of UAE. The gulf tree is the national tree of UAE. The palm tree is the jewel tree of the desert. Thank you.